everyone, it's me Van and we're back for another tutorial. So today we just want to do a really sultry nice green look to match these green eyes and green top. So let's just jump right into the tutorial. We are switching it up a bit today. I'm going back to my old faithful Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation. This is in the shade 355 Coconut. And I used to love this foundation, like I used to use this all the time, and it just got kind of replaced by my WetnWIld. So we're gonna use this bad boy today. Now time for blush. I'm using my e.l.f. blush that I love in the shade Brick Red. Time to highlight to Okay, so this highlight is nice and demure, but I want to make it a little more intense. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight that is super crumbled and broken. I can't tell you how many times I tried to repress this highlight and it just wasn't working out. It keeps like breaking. This highlight is no joke, but I just apply it as a topper because it's a little more on the silvery side for me. Yes, so the face is snatched. Now time for the eyes. So I literally have like no clear vision for these eyes. All I know is I want it like green. I want to use this shade. I want to use this green shade, and I just want it smoky. That's all I know for now. So the rest we're just gonna like wing it. Okay, so we're going into my very dirty Jaclyn Hill palette. I mean, this palette has been through it, as you can see. This is from traveling, and this material just gets dirty so fast. So I want to take this shade to transition. Okay, a little darker than I expected for a transition. So we'll take this kind of mustardy brown shade and we'll place that on top. Okay, now I think I want to play with some of this orange shade right here. We're putting that in the crease as well. Ooh, fiery. I have like this weird relationship with these orangey shades where like I try not to use them too much because I know people always do like orangey looks, so I try not to use them too much in my looks, but I always end up like not using them at all because I don't want to like love them too much, and then it's like I can't stop doing orangey looks, if you know what I mean. So I hardly ever use these shades like in my crease anymore. I want to go in with this really cool like green, really dark green shade right here. I'm taking a very dense small brush because we're gonna pack this into our crease. So we're just like stamping the shade on our eyes, then we'll blend it out later. Oh boy, she pigmented. I honestly think the Jaclyn Hill palette is like the best palette created by like a YouTuber slash blogger. I think when she came up with this, it just kind of like changed the game. So we're just like diffusing the edge slightly, not too much. Once we're finished building up the intensity on this green, I want to go back into the orange shade and kind of blend out the edges. We're working with very tiny brushes for this, just so we could get more precise movements. Once this is blending, it's pretty intense and nice, and it's like pop. I'm just gonna kind of cut the crease slightly and apply the green shade that I've been waiting to use for the longest time. Now I just want to take a bit of Trophy Wife from Rihanna and just kind of apply this on the inner part of this eye. I have this NYX Roll-On Shimmer. This is in the shade Taupe, and it's a kind of dark green brownish shade. I just want to apply that over the green just to get some sparkle going on. Okay, so I'm liking how this is looking. Yes. Okay, let me go try my best to recreate this on this eye. And actually, maybe I should just finish this whole eye. Should I? Yeah, why not? So we're going in with a black pencil on my lower lash line. So once we have this, we're going in with the orange under my eye. Going back into the dark green shade. Once you're done with the smokes on this side, I'm gonna go complete this eye, apply some lashes, and I'll be back to figure out what we're gonna do with the lips. So for the lips, I'm thinking of doing like a kind of orangey lip. I don't ever do orange lips. So I only have like one orange lipstick, and it's this right here. That's what it looks like. It's kind of peachy shade. So we're gonna try that today. Ooh, she is orange. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of these videos, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have my most recent upload right here, and you can subscribe to my channel right here. See you in my next one. Bye guys.